Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to the channel Wanderers Tales. So today is December 26th and today is our fourth day of our road trip. 2 days we were exploring Bavarian areas in a location called Bayreuth and today we are starting our journey to Italy. We will cross Austria toll and then head to Italy. Meanwhile, we have to take an online toll pass. There is an option to buy the pass from the fuel station, but we have already taken it online. So if you need the link for online toll pass, I will share the link in the description. Maybe you guys can use it. For now, let's head to Italy. Alright, time is now almost 3 o'clock, 3:30, and we have crossed Austria and reached Italia. We actually wanted to take a break at Innsbruck in Austria, but somehow we missed it because of the drive. The drive was amazing, so we could not stop there. Now we have taken a break for coffee, a place called Balanzo. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing it right. So we'll take a short break here, and otherwise you can also see the snow-capped mountains behind me, which looks amazing as of now. So let's go.
So today we are in Venice. So we reached the Hilton Hotel last night, and today morning we finished our breakfast. And at the hotel we could buy bus tickets and water bus tickets. So we did buy the bus tickets, which will get us to the island. And from the island we can actually take a water bus to the point what we want to go. We want to go to a place called St. Basilica. So we will be using the water bus transportation for that. And from Hilton Hotel it's about 3 stops. So the bus costed €3 for both of us one way, so which is €6 to go and come back. And then the water bus is €9 one way per person. So we've taken 2 water bus tickets, so it is all in all with taxes everything it came around €38. So now we have reached the island point where we can take the water bus. So we will head to the water bus and go to the island. This place behind me is called Santa Maria della Salute. This is a Roman Catholic church in the Venice, built in Venice in Italy. The history of this basilica, minor basilica or the church, dates back to 1630s when there was a pandemic, a plague pandemic outbreak in the region of Venice, which kind of killed 1/3 of the population of Venice. And the people here, the locals here, did a lot of rituals, did a lot of sacrifices to stop the outbreak. And since nothing worked and everything went in vain, they decided that there will be a basilica built for Virgin Mary, because the people here consider Virgin Mary as the protector of the Republic. So because of that, they started to build this church in 1631. And it is said that soon after that the outbreak stopped, and this took time for the constructions to get over, and I think it was completed somewhere in 1681. So this has been a very pure place of worship for all the Roman Catholics. And every year I believe the Pope comes here in the month of November for a visit. So this place kind of is very sacred for the people here. The place behind me is called the Dodges Palace, and this became a political organization or a parliament in the medieval times. I think around 13th or 14th century it was all moved here. Unfortunately for this palace, it has gone through so many restructuring because of many structural failures. There have been fires, very wild fire broken out at least thrice in the past, and there has been constant reconstruction work going on in this place. I think now they've made this as a museum. We can go in and visit the place. The cost of the ticket is 30 euros if you want to visit the museum here. We are not doing it because we have very timed plans and we have to go buy it. But if you are interested in history, parliament, political understanding and things like that, I think this place is definitely a good visit place. So we have reached St. Marks Basilica. This is again a Roman Catholic church. It dates back to the medieval times. It is actually at the eastern end corner or end point of the St. Mark's Square. So the place where we are now standing is called St. Mark's Square. This cathedral is next to the Dodds Palace also. So all in all, it looks beautiful from outside. We wanted to go inside, but it happens to be a little long queue. So we are still debating if we should go or just go to the gondola ride. But I think if you come on any other day, or generally the entry fee is about $3 for the basilica, and then once you take the ticket, you go in, you can go to the top of the church. Because you're in the St. Mark's Square, you will be able to see the whole surrounding square. If you see, this architecture looks to be a little Roman influence. You also see a little bit of Islamic influence, and the paintings are good. Then there are some horses, there is a bell, and I think even from outside it looks good. We've reached Burano now. This place is famous for two things. One is lace making, and then the other one is for the colorful houses. So lace making is apparently the lace on the dresses, the dining table cloths, and etc. You see, that's what lace is. And then the main work of this place is fishing. This place gets foggy, really foggy, and it was difficult for fishermen to identify their homes. So what they decided to do is color their houses in a color they can identify. Fishermen wanted to identify their house in heavy fogs. That's when they started painting their houses in the colors, or how they can recognize their house. So you will see this whole area has a lot of colorful houses, and we will explore some of the colorful houses here. Most colorful houses in Burano is the Bepi's house. We will try to find where that is and explore that and show it to you all too. Come with us.
So we had our lunch in Burano.
For vegetarian, I had a margarita pizza and
I had a ham pizza.
and then there was a self-brewed Burano beer, so we did try that. And now we are heading towards Murano to see the glass making.
So let's go. So people, now time is about 3:30 and we have reached an island called Murano. And the island is famous for its glass making. We can already see a lot of stores having colorful glasses here. We will now go and explore the island. And the temperature is already dropping. Initially it was around 12 degrees, but now it should be around 6 degrees, I believe. But it is very cold. The island looks beautiful, nice.
So we just now visited the glass blowing demonstration and the glass factory. Entry was 20 euros for the two of us, and we could take Simba along. In that 20 euros, once you finish the blowing demonstration, you get to visit the factory itself, and you can purchase anything for that money. And so the blowing demonstration was nice. We had a guide who was speaking in Spanish, Italian and English and explain the whole process of blowing. Could take some videos during the glass blowing time, but inside the factory it was not allowed. Person demonstrated a horse and a vase for us during the glass blowing demonstration, so it was nice and an unique experience. We've never watched a glass blowing event before, so it was nice. And then inside you will see most of the glass items are a little expensive, but I guess it's a lot of hard work which gets put in those glass products are made. So we tried to purchase something. We had 20 euros, so we kind of purchased a earring. Rest I want to go check out the shops nearby to buy remaining glass items, and that's why we didn't make too much of purchase inside the glass factory. But overall it was a good 20 minutes, I would say, which we spent, and it was worth trying our luck if we could get the demonstration today. So I think if I have to rate between Burano and Murano islands, I would give Murano a thumbs up, and it's nice to come to Murano to watch the glass demonstration, the glass shops. While Burano is fine, there is lace shops, but not really a museum or the making process or anything you can anticipate. So it's just like another shop, supermarket. So I would definitely say come to Murano. If you have time, you can also visit Burano. So now the time is around 5 p.m. Come to the end of Venice exploration. So we visited Venice and two other islands, Murano, Burano, and tomorrow morning we will be heading towards Rome. So it was good 2 days we were in Venice, and off to our next exploration. We will be ending our vlog now today here, and we will take you on our Rome journey in the next episode. Bye, take care, see you all in Rome.